So it looks like we're officially running virtual Windows on the server. Well, there we go. One of my computers would just allow me to uninstall Cortana. I don't want that crap. I hate it. It's bloatware. A lot of bloatware. Anyway, so we have virtual Windows 10 on the server. I did have to unplug the internet connection to the router to get it to work. Let's go ahead and hook it back up though and see. We'll just see what we can do. Okay, so one of the big reasons I would want to run Windows on the server would be I'm not seeing the screen quite correctly. Is I would want to be able to run programs. Oh my god, this thing's annoying. Like, our resolution needs to be changed, but we would want to run something like Cura or oh man, I can't stand this Copilot crap. Did this guy really seriously say he's calling the channel master? He did. So, in order to be able to do this on a Linux machine, I mean, this would be useful on any machine, really. But, I don't know, I'd rather just have a machine that has Windows on it than go through all this trouble. Alright, so I'm installing Cura. And the other thing I was thinking it would be kind of cool to do would be, I go to SDR Play. And if we could install the SDR Uno software and have it to where the server could be controlled by anybody that has access to it. And, I don't know why they have legacy software on their web page, because it's not there. The only thing I don't like about SDR Play is that they used to make it available for Linux for SDR Uno, and they decided that they didn't want to make that available anymore, and they removed all the old stuff. You might be able to get it by using the Wayback Machine, but now they come out with this new crap called SDR Connect, and it's just not as nice. So, it's kind of an issue. So anyway, I thought it would be really cool to be able to do something like that, where I could have the server and it could be hooked to my antenna and somebody could tune it to whatever they want. So, anyway, let me know what you guys think. What can I do with this thing? What other stuff can I do?